नेपालको इतिहासमा धेरै लोकप्रिय व्यक्तिहरू छन्। उनीहरूले नेपालको लोकप्रियता बढाउन धेरै कार्यहरू गरेका छन्। तीमध्ये अनुराधा कोइराला एक हुन्। Anuradha Koirala is an old renowned social worker. She was born in 14 April 1949 in Nepal, but she studied in Saint Joseph Convent School, Kalimpong, India. For more than 20 years, she taught English at various reputed schools of Kathmandu. Mother Teresa was the biggest source of inspiration for the betterment of humankind. In 1993, Mrs. Koirala founded Mighty Nepal with the aim of providing services for both children and women who have endured untold pain and suffering. व्यावसायिक यौन शोषण हटाउनको लागि उनले माइती नेपाल भन्ने एउटा संस्थाको स्थापना गरिन्। धेरै बालबालिकाहरू र महिलाहरूले माइती नेपालबाट प्रत्यक्ष सेवाहरू पाइरहेका छन्। After establishing Mighty Nepal, she plunged into the service of humanity. Her first work was setting up of a rehabilitation home so that she could provide a home to those people who have nowhere else to turn to. Far, Anuradha Koirala has been provided 30 national and international awards in recognition of her courageous work. Some of the international awards include German UNIFEM Prize 2007, Queen Sofia Silver Medal Award 2007, the Peace Away Courage of Conscience 2006, etc. Due to her continuous struggle, Government of Nepal recognized Anti-Trafficking Day, which falls on 5 September. On 25 November 2010, she was declared as CNN Hero of the Year through global online voting. It was the result of her struggle and compassion to fight the social evil of human trafficking. उनले धेरै सङ्घर्षहरू गरेर अहिले शिखरको चुचुरोमा पुगिसकेकी छिन्। उनले यौन शोषणमा परिरहेका केटीहरूलाई धेरै बचाइसकेकी छिन् र स्वतन्त्र रूपमा घर पुर्याइसकेकी छिन्। उनले मानव जातिको धेरै कल्याण गरिसकेकी छिन्।
Shelter. But it was really very difficult because, I was a teacher and I had nothing with me. And to feed them, clothe them, medicine, education was very difficult for me. But I did it. I went on doing it. I borrowed money from here support from somewhere. So I registered an NGO and I called it Maiti. Maiti means Mother's Home for Girls. After that, it went on. My struggle kept on. Then I started and thought I should only work for violence against women and especially trafficking of women and children. I went into the villages and talked about awareness. And while talking about awareness, I found out it was not as we who are in the city thought trafficking was. It was really very hard in the villages. It was almost, some villages were empty.